I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Geo number is active and the SIM is in the device. Open or install the MyGeo app now. Grant permissions it asks for. Once done, sign in using OTP tied to your number so the app can read your plan and usage. Make sure background data access is allowed. Without it, the app may show stale info. This gets you to the dashboard quickly and prepares the app to retrieve accurate quota and session details. Now tap data usage from the MyGeo dashboard. You'll see a breakdown of consumed and remaining GB. Use the tabs to switch between daily, monthly, or custom ranges so you can pinpoint spikes. Scroll to session logs for timestamps and site-level bytes if available. This helps identify heavy apps. Make sure to refresh the view so the app fetches the latest records. If you have add-on packs, they appear separately. Note their expiry so you don't misread total allowance. To finish, cross-verify usage via GeoCare in the app or by calling 1299 for an account summary. This confirms what MyGeo shows. You can also open phone settings to see per app data usage and match it against carrier data. If numbers differ, log out and log back into MyGeo or force stop and restart the app to refresh cache. One key troubleshooting tip. If data still looks incorrect, reboot the device and retry, because cached sessions often cause display mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.